I have got some very exciting core word program news for you guys. Not only have we got year 1, but year 2 is now available, and year 3 and year 4 are in the works and will be available this year also. So if your learners are getting loads out of year 1, then you know that you can carry on the subscription with year 2, 3 and 4 to follow. Year 2 carries on including loads of really important core words, mostly around meeting their needs, about being thirsty, hungry, needing the toilet, feeling hurt or poorly. And we really wanted to start with the most important words so that your learners have a voice and can share how they feel and what they need as well as what they want. And the best part, this is already included in the subscription that you already have. So all you need to do is go into the core word program and it will all already be there waiting for you to test out. This includes all of the same stuff as year 1, games, the planning, the play sessions, all the symbols, all included in year 2, 3 and 4 as well. We are really excited about this edition, and if you're not signed up to the core word program yet, but you want to test it out to see if it's suitable for your learners, then week 1 of year 1 is a free trial. Comment below and I'll send you a direct link.